funny how the story goes. Little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rain.
Chris is already judging it, talking about he don't like it. Hopefully it's empty. I like to see the houses when they're empty versus with their stuff in there. Either way, it don't matter, but it's like a better empty. Knock, knock. Right. Oh, they just leave it. Oh, I like the entry. With the formal dining and then they did with the office side over here. This must be a closet. Smells good in here. Okay. They do. Want you to feel at home.
This could be your house, y'all.
So I like walking in. Okay, so let's check out. Right. Oh, they did bake cookies.
Got some water.
Now this is a real house hunting experience right here. Fresh baked cookies with the water.
We're doing the actual showing.
Right. So I like the kitchen. I like the shaker style cabinets. The breakfast nook. Oh, this is small. Let's check out the backyard real quick. Chris always heads to the backyard first. Ew. There go your man cave, boo. So you know I could hook it up.
I was worried you blow my reputation, but I figured it's not on me. Yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself, I keep pulling the trigger, right? This very finger for people like them. Oh no. Well, darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good, feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good. Oh. We don't care much for people like them. We don't care much for people like them. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in
phones. It had a lot of good things, but then there was a lot of things that we just did not like. So that one, it was like a no for us. It's like a maybe, but more than likely a no. It had a nice formal dining room. It had the, what was it, the little office area. It had, yeah, baby, window. It had the office area. It had a nice open 2-story living room area. The kitchen was nice. It had a nice bar, a nice breakfast nook. But I didn't like, the master bedroom was kind of small for my liking. And it didn't have a separate upstairs like play area for the kids. The backyard was small. You would have to fence off the back part of the backyard. They had a little barn back there, but it looked like it was about to fall apart, so that would probably need replacing. It was something that, I don't know, I just didn't get like, this is my house. I didn't get that type of feeling. It was just like, oh, this is really nice, but I don't know if I wanted this in my home. So I think it's a no for us all. So we're gonna go ahead and head to house number 4. And this house, I really do like, well, according to the pictures that I saw online, I really do like this house like a lot. But we're gonna have to paint the whole entire thing because it's yellow. So we'll have to paint, but we're gonna go check it out, and hopefully the pictures online were not deceiving. So we will see. Corner lot. So what I do like about this house that I know off the bat is it got new roof, it got new water heater, and it got new floors. Oh, it's full of bees. Oh, I love this front door. Yes, immediately.
This time of year, though.
Knock, knock.
What we got in here?
Oh, yes. Look at the entry. Smells new in here. Look at it. Oh, I love it.
It just went down $4,000.
I love the little entry thing. Here's the backyard. It's small, but it'll work once we clean it up. Make it look like something. I love the tall windows. Kitchen. I like this little wet bar. And the dining room. Bathroom. Nice and big. It's huge, actually. Huge in here. The closet is big too. Here's some storage. A lot of storage. Sounds good. Someone's running. The bathroom is big.
Alright.
It's huge.
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the streets, every freak out singing like.
Oh, it's nice and big up here. And it has the kids' playroom. Oh my God, look at this catwalk. Let's talk about it. This is so beautiful. The other one didn't have one. It's nice and big too. Oh, this is the side of the house. This is huge. 3 boys. What the hell? Is that a pig?
They got a pig?
Oh my God, they have a pig.
Oh, that's great.
They have a freaking I was like, what is that?
Come here, Jeff.
They have a freaking pig as a pet.
Come here, Jeff.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, man. That's chitlins. Oh,
They have a freaking pig as a pet. No, man.
That's the first.
This is pretty good. And this is a decent sized. Oh, this room is pretty big.
You better come get ready while I put a little grill come over there.
Right. Hey, what's up, y'all? Today is gonna be day 2 of house hunting. I forgot to vlog the end of the other house, the last house on Signal Peak, but I absolutely love that house. That was actually my favorite, like number 1, and then Eden Green. But today we're gonna go back and see the 2 that we like the most, Eden Green and Signal Peak, and we're gonna have the kids take a look so that they can, you know, kind of get a feel, let us know which one they like. And so that's where we are headed now. The kids are in the back. Hubby's driving.
All the way.
And I'm riding. So we're gonna go see Eden Green first. And my brother's supposed to be meeting us there too, just so we can have like an extra set of eyes. So yeah, see you when we get there. So we are back at Eden Green. Got the kids here. They're excited. Come on.
Talking about the water leak too. They said they're gonna try to get over and make sure it's dry.
All right, check it out. Home sweet home.
Yeah, y'all take y'all's time. Don't worry about me.
Yep.
So, you know, if you take, you don't use credit.
Where the magic happens.
I still don't think it's enough. Maybe break down this like last wall here, add like 16 more feet, you should be good.
I should be good after that.
Okay,
Oh, I dropped it. Thank you.
let me test the water. 1, 2,
This is a little higher than the other one.
The backyard is amazing. Can you get up? Come on, turtle. Damn.
in the other bathroom.
You say you don't like the house? How is this too small? Yeah, the rooms are small. So we are back at Signal Peak to show the kids. Oh my God, that bush is full of bees and they're like everywhere. The red rose. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? No.
Yeah.
Lord, look at this entry, y'all. Y'all can't just tell me this isn't everything. Right? Yes, much better. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. This is where it's at. This is the one.
No, look at that.
This is the one. Hey, guess what lives behind us? A pig. It's a pig back there. Yeah, you'll see it when you get upstairs. Yes, it's fat too, big. It's a babe. So pretty much we'll do what's in the other backyard over here in this backyard. Chris just gonna re-landscape the whole thing. That's what I told him. Yeah, that's the easy fix.
I just got a chainsaw.
And then he can custom make it to how he wants.
Get that right.
Put a fire pit over there.
That's a little great.
He in the bathroom. I love these big windows.
Put it right there.
Which one? Yeah, it should. Probably that one too, cause that one's old. It don't look like it's grown no more. So over here we have the dining room. I like this house better.
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd.